So, in the industrial world, everyone is well aware of Cyrus Mistry. He was the sixth chairman of Tata Group from 2012 till 2016. He owns around 18% stake in Tata Sons through Cyrus Investments Pvt Limited, and his net worth is over 29 billion US dollars. He left us to the divine abode on 4th September 2022 at the age of 54 years. Just a small information about him. He is of Indian origin, Irish citizen. He studied in Imperial College, London and London Business School. And his spouse, Rohiqa Chagla, and has two sons, Firoz and Zahan. His parents were Pallonji Mistry and Patsy Dubash. Noel Tata is his brother-in-law. Cyrus has two sisters, Laila and Aloo. Aloo is married to Noel Tata, who is half-brother of Ratan Tata. Cyrus' father, Pallonji Shapoorji Mistry, recently died on 28 June 2022 at the age of 93 years. He was a business tycoon, billionaire, construction tycoon, and major shareholder of Tata Group. Cyrus joined the family business, and that is how he inherited the wealth. Do we have any lessons to be learned from the life of Cyrus Mistry? He was a born billionaire and he had everything in his life. And he was a good businessman. He got good education. He studied in international schools, great world famous business schools, and was a successful businessman. He inherited great wealth from his parents. One thing to note, billions cannot save a life. He met with an accident. He was traveling in a Mercedes Benz, which is worth around a crore, from Gujarat to Mumbai. And on the way, the vehicle was speeding at 130 kilometers per hour, hit the divider, and Cyrus lost his life. You know what is the simple reason that took his life? He is traveling in a costly car, most expensive car, which is fitted with all the safety precautions to protect him. But what is the use if you don't utilize the safety precautions, the basic being wearing a seat belt? When the car hit the divider, the front driver and the co-driver were wearing seat belts and they were saved. The balloon came out and that saved their lives. Cyrus Mistry is a businessman, always busy doing something. So he was sitting he was sitting in the back seat along with another person. Both were busy chatting, talking something. They forgot to wear the seat belt. It's a silly mistake that costed his life. When you don't wear the seat belt, the air balloon will not open up, and when driving at such a speed, it can crush the person with all the force momentum. Right? Same thing happened. He got a brain hemorrhage and heart attack, met with a deadly accident, lost his life on the spot. So life is precious. It's not worth taking risk with the speed driving, ignoring safety precautions. When you are driving a two-wheeler, wear helmet and fasten it. If you don't fasten it, you are not sure whether it will protect you or not, right? Everyone, this must be a lesson. The incident of Cyrus Mistry's accident must be a lesson for everyone, is an alert warning for everyone to follow the safety precautions. Never override them. They are meant for your safety. Always remember that someone is waiting for you at home. Thank you. Thanks for watching.